So listen, like, yeah, I could get some fried chicken. I could get some fried chicken. Yeah. I could also get like healthy chicken, like California Chicken Cafe, like a Caesar wrap with chicken, right? Like I could do a healthy chicken. Bro, someone really said boring. Stop. No, boring. Stop. Hey, Kevin, I'm sorry to bother you. Hey, I don't mean to be a... I know I was gonna eat health. Stop laughing. This is not funny. This is an embarrassing moment for me in my life. Healthy chicken. And do not say fried chicken just to make you feel better about your bad food choices, okay? This is like a what do you want to see me do? Like what do you... So hypothetically speaking, what would be the healthiest fried chicken available? I said, hey, hypothetically speaking, what would be the healthiest fried chicken available? And you want to know what he said? He said, ha 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 ha. Is this a joke to you? He said, ha 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 ha. Oh no. What do you guys think is healthier? I can't believe I was literally about to ask, should I get this fried chicken? Okay, but hear me out. Like a Chick-fil-A sandwich or a KFC bucket? What is healthier? Because like technically a KFC bucket is just protein, but it's less overall calories than a sandwich? I don't know. A bucket is not healthy. Stop. Just lie to me, dude. The way I think about it is like, okay, a bucket is mainly chicken, and like chicken isn't unhealthy in and of itself. Like, yeah, it's lathered in spices and salt and sodium and carbs and bread, and it's deep fried, but at the end of the day, deep down is just chicken. Give me that damn bucket.